Hi Fauhow, in this video, I'm going to show you how to link Instagram to Facebook account. It is very easy. This video is very useful for you who wants to add your Instagram link to your Facebook account. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. For the first, make sure that your phone has been connected to the internet. Once your phone has been connected to the internet, let's open Facebook app. After opening your Facebook app, you can see here on the bottom right corner, there is 3-dot line menu, and then just tap this. After tapping that menu, you can see on the top left corner, there is your profile picture, and then just tap this. After opening your profile, you can see there is edit profile. Just tap this edit profile. And then you can just scroll down. And you will find links. And then just tap add. Edit links. Links you set to public will appear in your intro and will post to news feed. Here you can add some of your links, social links or websites. Here I'm going to show you how to add Instagram link to Facebook. Okay, just add social link and choose the platform. You can choose many platforms here: Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, YouTube, TikTok, Twitch, WhatsApp, Line, WeChat, Kik, Pinterest, Tumblr, SFM, and another. And here I want to choose Instagram. And then you can just add your Instagram username. How to know your Instagram username? Just open Instagram app. After opening Instagram app, you can just see on the bottom right corner, just tap your profile picture. And then you can see on the top left corner, that's your Instagram username, the Fauhow. And then just add this username to Facebook. Let's go to the Facebook app. Okay, I will add my username. After adding your username, you can just click save. And then you can go back to your profile. This is the Facebook profile has been updated, and you can see there is my Instagram username there. And that is my Instagram link. And if I click the link, I will be directed to Instagram profile. I will try to click the link. And you can see I'm directed to my Instagram profile. That's my tutorial about how to link Instagram to Facebook account. I hope this tutorial is very useful for you and helps you in linking Instagram to Facebook account. If you like this video, please give thumbs up and share this video to your friends who need these informations. And if you have any questions about how to link Instagram to Facebook account, just give comment below and I'll be happy to answer your questions. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, this Fauhow channel. Just smash the red button, and also don't forget to turn on notification so you will be the first person I notify when I upload the latest video about social media tutorial. Thank you very much.